Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I was so lucky to receive all of these things from Maniology. I have a separate unboxing video for you guys if you're interested to see every single thing that they sent me. But these, I'm excited, y'all. This was my first time ever using a nail stamp. So I did my nails. I had an old set on. I just refilled them. And I came in with their base coat first. Now, keep in mind, y'all, this was my first time. So I'm just reading directions and kind of going with it. So I used the base coat and then I light these bright colors. I'm like, it's, summer coming around. So I just kind of freestyled this. So I'm coming in with this orange color. I think it's so beautiful. I love the pigment of these colors. Now, it's been a long time since I've used traditional nail polish. So I had to remember, girl, let it dry. But it did dry fairly quick. So I was kind of pleasantly surprised. So after I let the polish dry just for a couple of seconds, y'all, I'm really impatient if you don't know. So I really didn't even let it sit long. I came in with this pink, and like I said earlier, this was kind of a freestyle. And I really liked the polish. I was like, okay, I might have to use this on my toes because it dried quick and it was super pigmented. So I might bring normal nail polish back to these toes in the summer, okay? So I can change it up more often. But I just kind of did like a little swoopty swoop with my polish and then I let it dry. And then this is the hard part, y'all. So this is definitely a learning curve when it comes to stamps. So I applied this black polish that they also sent me. And they use a little scraping tool. And I watched a couple videos and tutorials because I'm going to be honest with y'all, I had never used a stamp before. So I really didn't know what to do or what to expect other than what I've seen on YouTube. So I tried to stamp it, but I kind of, like the first one, I was like, okay, this is working. I'm doing a good job. But where I was messing up, y'all, was I wasn't going back and kind of cleaning off in between stamps. So you'll see some parts in the video. I don't like how it came out, but it was just really user error. So I ended up coming in the end and cleaning it up on the back end. But once I saw this, I was like, okay, this is kind of cute. So I definitely kept going at this point because I was kind of really liking where these nails were going. So I will say this, just a little tip I learned. I think they included this little pineapple tool in the video. You'll see it, and it's to pick up the cotton because the other thing that I ran into was when I was cleaning up, I was getting cotton everywhere. So I definitely recommend getting that tool because once my little 7-year-old figured it out and let me know, y'all, life got so much easier. It made it so much easier for me to clean up the stamp in between stamps. So yeah, so they also included this little brush in the little kit. They have like a whole starter kit on the website. So all this came in there and the brush was easy to clean up once I kind of got the hang of it. So like I said, this whole time was like really just me learning how to do this, and it also came with a top coat. So of course I top coated my nails. Now I really wanted to add some jewels and gems and all of that, but y'all know I do hair and I didn't have time to get all that caught up. But then, you know, it wouldn't be me if I didn't do the most. And I just had to take it a step further. I had my little liner brush from, that I have laying around. And I came in with their polish again, and I tried to line it up. Now, the only thing I didn't like about this is because, these liner brushes are typically used with gel. So the polish did kind of dry, so I had to keep cleaning my brush. But y'all see your girl, she getting better and better. If you watch some of my old videos, y'all, nails is not my thing. Hair is, but you see the growth and the progression if you've been with me. So if you like this little set, oh yeah, y'all, before I go, I did stamp some of the other ones too, and I did my other hand off camera. So if you like this little set and you want to see more of stuff like this, leave me a little love. Please thumbs up my video, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and I'll leave all the details for everything in the description box and the comments because y'all don't read the description, along with the little promo code so you can save you some money on your purchase. And thank y'all so much for watching my video. Have a good one. Bye.